Guys, welcome to this horror game called 3008. Um yeah, it's basically this guy. You're in Ikea, it looks like, and you're supposed to build a base to survive. And I just saw something fly up. Anyways, I got my little base here. This is how you get up. This is gonna be like a main area, I guess. I don't really know. What's this G all about? Oh yeah, there's the lemons. See another one. And another one. They're everywhere. I also need to get this water. Stop. Parkour. Yeah, I can still get up here. There's a TV. Might have to go to his base and steal that TV. What is this? I'm gonna get this bed. I gotta hurry. I don't know if they're gonna turn evil or something. Right there. This looks good. I'm gonna use this. Maybe like a ladder up to this bed. And then why'd that kinda scare me? I wish I could zoom. I gotta turn this volume up. Oh wow, this ambience is really scary. Why are there just massive pillars in the sky? And why are these just floating? And why is it dark? I just waited it out. I gotta do it. Get to bed. Go! Let's go! Green bed. There's a starlight. Maybe I could get that starlight. This guy has a cool base. He got everything. He got a TV. He got that light. I see not much. That guy's just standing still. I don't want to approach that guy. He could, like, attack me. Unless he's stuck, he could attack me. Need this. Let's go. Yes, sir. We got light. I need that starlight. Looks cool. Bro, when can it be day? $5? How much minutes has it been? It's been like, I don't know, 50 minutes. It's been a whole hour. And yet, it hasn't turned on. Maybe I'm just so impatient. I'm so patient that I can't handle 5 minutes. That looks kinda suspicious. Also, that could be a TV. Hurry up! Do you guys want to hear a joke?
The store is now closed.
Oh, dang! Why did the chicken cross the road? Holy! Jeez. Wait. It's foggy. Sir. Ow! Sir! Sir! Chill! Sir! Sir, it's just asking a question. Now you blocked off. Bozo. As I was saying. Oh, I'll finish the question. Every 10 nights, a blood night will occur. Are you kidding me? 15 days? Oh wait, every 15 days. Ah. Of all the days, it had to be this day. Thanks a lot, game. Really helped me out. it's blood. This is what they were talking about. It's blood! Every 10 nights, a blood night will occur. This results in faster employees. That's it. That guy's been standing there for the past 3 days! Oh, here's the TV I got. I don't know what to do. Well, this might be the end of my video. Not your video. This is for entertainment, for me only. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Please like, maybe subscribe.